Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by treating plasma as a state change. A gas becomes ionized, conducting electricity and glowing. First, confirm you have institutional approval and trained supervision, never improvise. Then, list the conceptual needs: a gas source, a containment vessel rated for high energy, and safety gear. Once done, consult an experienced instructor to match a laboratory setup to your goals, and make sure risk assessments and emergency procedures are in place before any hands-on work. Now focus on how energy couples into the gas conceptually. Thermal heating, electrical discharge, or radio frequency fields can supply energy to ionize atoms. You should study the physical principles with instructors and observe demonstrations rather than attempting construction. Make sure any apparatus used is commercially certified and operated by qualified staff. Do not modify or jury-rig components. Once you observe safe demonstrations, discuss scaling and parameter control with supervisors to understand effects without performing unsafe experiments yourself. To finish, follow lab shutdown procedures. Stop excitation, allow the system to cool and stabilize, then vent and secure the vessel under supervision. If anything abnormal happens, unusual sounds, smells, arcs, or smoke, stop immediately, evacuate if directed, and notify the responsible lab personnel. Do not attempt repairs yourself. For troubleshooting, record exactly what you observed and the conditions so experts can analyze it. This ensures safe learning and prevents repeating hazardous mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.